I've used a membership many, many times. One of the ones that I think it was simple but important was when we first bought our first home in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We were going to purchase an alarm system, and we had about 5 or 6 different salespeople came to our house to offer the alarm system. And I personally identified with a particular seller, and I wanted to really get it because they were going to cover everything for a good price. And being a man, well, it's all about budgets, right? So Linda said, well, wait a second, why don't we take that contract, send it through the attorneys? Well, we sent it to our law provider firm in Albuquerque. They reviewed it and came back 72 hours later, came back with a fax back to us with scribbles, scratches, big question marks, and at the end of the contract, big bold letters, we recommend you don't do business with this company. So therefore, we made a better decision to go with another company. You know, having the power of a membership, it helps you to make better decisions on a day-to-day basis. And it doesn't matter how much money you save or how much money you lose. It's just you knowing consciously that somebody advised you and guide you properly to use your brain properly because you're being advised by an attorney. It is empowering to really have a legal shield membership.